Hello and welcome. Today I will be having a look at these two Hoover Enigma vacuum cleaners. One of them is the straight Enigma and the other is the Enigma Evo. The model numbers are pu31en01 and pu71en01. At a first glance, you may think they look fairly similar. One of the biggest differences between them is the Evo only has a 350 watt motor in it. The Enigma one on here has a 750 watt motor in it, which does make a little bit of difference when you look at the regulation cards. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. As you can see, on the emissions, this one has got A and this one has got B. On the noise, this one says it reads 80 decibels, this one reads 89 decibels. Of course, this Enigma one is using more power, which is saying 27 kilowatts hour per annum. This one is 22 kilowatts per annum. One place it is making a difference, according to these, is on the pickup. The higher powered one is getting A pickup on hard floors and the lower powered one is getting C. The on carpet is when it's making a much bigger difference according to these cards, because the higher powered one is getting A rated on pickup and the lower powered one is getting E rated on the pickup. The other differences between them is the higher powered one is also the PETS version of it, which comes with the turbo nozzle. And it has got the little short hose on it to help with pickup for the regulations. With this hose on, there will be more suction down at the head, as you aren't losing as much suction down the hose. Both the vacuum cleaners have got the 13-metre stair hose, to them. So both of them will do up to 13 stairs, they say. They've both got the same dusting brush, on the back, and the same stair tool there. The extension tube and crescent tools are both the same again, but on the higher wattage one, because it's the PET tool goes on the side, which means that the dusting brush and the crescent tool go on. The crescent tool goes inside the extension tube on one side. Both cleaners have manual height adjusters, which can come in handy when people find vacuum cleaners hard to push, as you can manually adjust the height to suit you. So last of all, we'll just do a quick sound check on both of them and see what they sound like. This one is very, very quiet when you're using it. So hopefully you can read that. That was 81.5. I will now do it about a metre away. That was measured about 67 decibels. Now I will do a sound level reading on the more powerful one. Oh, just plug it in. Straight away on this one, you can tell it's a little bit noisier. So I will now get the sound read. That is measuring 87.6. I will now do it about a metre away again. That measured 74.7. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.